YouTube friends and family. I am coming with another haul this filming day. I did a little shopping. It was spring break week. And I'm coming with a little haul from my favorite store, Popshelf. Popshelf, if you've never been there, please go. Please find one near you and go. They are a high-end Dollar General. They are part of the Dollar General brand. And they have 50% off very often. It's just so nice in there. It's always clean and organized and just pretty. So this is a everything haul, child. It's a small one though. I only spent about what, $30 in here, and most of the stuff was 50% off. So these say $1.25. Should have grabbed more, but they were only $1. And if you caught my I don't think I did a short to show you how I just repotted my plants. So I pretty much used all I had of this size, and I like to sit my plants in here to protect my furniture, my house plants. So I bought, and it's how many here? Oh, it's a 3-pack. 3-pack for $1, and they feel pretty sturdy. And they were $1, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Okay. So I also saw this. They have, and also I did show you some shorts. They have Martha Stewart in there. They have Ray Dunn in there. I showed you a short with some prices while I was in store. I'll link those above. But this, I designed, which was at Bed Bath & Beyond before they closed. So they got a lot of the Bed Bath & Beyond stuff too. And this was a self-watering planter pot. They show an example of planting herbs in it, and it was $3. Now this was full price, $3. So I'm gonna try to open it so we can see what it looks like on the inside. I don't have a long time, but let's see how it looks on the inside. So I don't think it's real big, but the fact that you can kind of put herbs in it. So it's you know, it's stylish. You can do herbs in a window with this. You can plant 4 different herbs in a window with this. And it has a string, I guess, for wicking the water. And it has the dividers. So you can put one plant, take this out and put one plant in there. Or divide it into the 4. And it has the water reservoir. And it'll keep you from getting root rot because of the spacing in between. Let me see if that comes. Okay, and that comes off. I like that. I like that for $3. If you're in an apartment and just want to put an herb garden in a window, this would be very nice. Very nice to have. And it should help you grow some herbs cheaply and easily. So, that's something I found there. These were half off. So they were regular $5, and they're hand creams. So I play bingo. I buy the little group I sit with. For the holidays, I normally give them a little baggie of candy or something, or a little treat bag. So this is going in the treat bags for Easter or Mother's Day. Hadn't decided, but they were $5, but they were half off because I did show you a short with the half off, some of the half off sections. Had a lot of 50% off stuff in that store. They had this for $5. And there's an app to go with it. And this is going somewhere. Because I got corn in the house. Listening. So, this is, you see that $1 for 100 coffee filters. Now we as gardeners, use coffee filters for other things also. So keep that in mind. But if you brew your coffee filters, they are sustainably forestry, BPI, USDA certified, bio-based product. I don't know. It say if you care, quality with integrity. So hopefully these are like pretty biodegradable, safe to throw in the garden, blah, 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 blah. for $1 for 100 coffee filters. This was $3 and it's going somewhere. These were half off. So they were $1.50 each. Method brand. I had to do a double take. I almost said, did I get duped? And it just looked like Method, but it is Method. And this is a rose water, and this is a cucumber. $1.50 each. Very stylish, very springy, and already marked down to half off because they were regular $3. So that's good. And then, this is my favorite. If you ain't tried these, this is my favorite. They are so good. And I just add them to a salad. I eat them just because I do everything. So if you go to that, frequent the fridge for some pickles, pickled okra. Delicious. Delicious. So I grabbed that. And they are $4 there, I believe. See if they ain't raised the price. Yeah, they're $4 there. So that's probably comparable to Walmart. And then I'm going to start doing salmon bowls. So, PF Chang's Sriracha Mayo Dynamite Hot Sauce. So, I'm hoping this tastes good. If you tried it, let me know below. But I'm going to try to make some salmon bowls with this. And that was $3. So that was a quick $30 haul with some half off stuff and the most expensive item. And you'll hear about this later. This item, that item. A short will come out later regarding these things. So I do hope you like this video. You still need to be prepping and praying. You still need to be planting a seed, plant a seed, grow something, even if it's a piece of basil, a herb, grow something that you eat on the regular. Grow something that you normally buy from the store. Just one thing. Start with one and end up with a lot. So I do please beg you to plant a seed. And prep and pray. I love you to life. Hope you enjoyed this haul. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button if you did. And see you next time. Love you.